Hello and welcome to the Wellness Roots journey. Before we say anything, I want you to do something very important to me. I want you to take a deep breath slowly, and as you exhale, I want you to look at the chair you are sitting in right now. For most people, the chair is a place to rest. It's where you have your morning coffee, where you read to your grandchildren, where you relax after a long day. But for you, if you're watching this, I know the truth. For you, that chair has become an invisible prison. You sit down, hoping to feel more comfortable, but as soon as your hips touch the cushion, that familiar, sharp, stinging, electric shock begins to spread throughout your lower back. You try to shift your body weight, but the pain is like a cold, heavy chain wrapped around your leg, pulling, yanking all the way down to your toes. You've spent months, even years, searching for the key to unlock this prison. You've tried expensive pills, unpleasant creams, stretching exercises that only make the fire burn more fiercely. You start to wonder, is that all? Is this how my life will continue? At Wellness Roots Journey, we understand your pain. We know that the worst part of sciatica isn't just the pain. It's what it takes away from you. It takes away walks in the park. It takes away the ability to stand and cook. It takes away your independence. But today, right here in this very chair, we're going to begin to reclaim it. What if I told you that the reason you haven't recovered is because you're fighting your body instead of movement with it? What if the secret to breaking those invisible shackles doesn't require you to get up or sweat or even leave the living room? Today, we're going to begin a 30-minute recovery journey. We're going to use a groundbreaking technique called nerve massage. This isn't just exercise. This is gentle nerve movement, scientifically proven. It's the art of teaching your nerves how to be free again. I promise you, after these 30 minutes, your relationship with this chair and with your body will never be the same again. But before we open the first link in that chain, please help us expand this circle of healing. Press the subscribe button, press the like icon, and most importantly, leave a comment below. Just type, "I'm ready to be free." When you share your voice, you help Wellness Roots Journey find others who are silently suffering, just like you. Let's make this chair a sanctuary of healing. Are you ready? Close your eyes for a second. Imagine you walking to your door without a single obstruction in your hip. That person is still inside you. And today, we will find them together. To heal your pain, you first need to understand what's really happening inside your body. At Wellness Roots Journey, we want you to stop thinking of the sciatic nerve as a stiff, cold cord. Instead, I want you to imagine it as a long, beautiful, shiny silk thread. This silk thread is the most important messenger in your body. It starts at your waist, winds through the muscles in your hips, runs down your thighs, over your knees, and ends at your heels. When you're healthy, this silk thread is incredibly flexible. It slides, it glides, it stretches and contracts rhythmically with each step you take. But with you, things have changed. Perhaps the discs in your back are bulging, or the muscles in your hips are stiff like a knot. These things act like thorns on a rose bush. Your thread is now caught on those thorns. Every time you try to stand up or stretch like you used to, you're pulling the tangled thread. That's why traditional stretching exercises often feel like an electric shock. You're actually trying to break a thread caught on thorns. Science calls this nerve tension. And at Wellness Roots Journey, we know that tension leads to inflammation. The nerve swells, becomes red and aching. It sends a painful cry to your brain because it's being squeezed. But here's the breakthrough. The technique for softening the nerve is not stretching. It's gluing gently. Imagine a violin string. If you pull too hard, it will break. But if you move the bow back and forth, it will make music. By moving our head and feet in a specific coordination, we will smooth that thread. We will gently thread it back and forth between those sharp thorns. This movement creates a miracle. It creates a pump effect, helping to remove inflammatory toxins and bring in fresh blood for healing. You are not only exercising, but also clearing the pathways for your nerves. You are teaching your body that moving again is safe. Stay with me, because in a few minutes we will perform the first glide movement. This movement will begin to untangle your thread from those painful thorns forever. Before we move a single muscle, I need to give you the most powerful tool in your recovery. At Wellness Roots Journey, we call it the compass of 3. Most of us were taught, no pain, no gain. We were told to push through the fire, but when it comes to your nerves, that philosophy is a dangerous lie. Your nerves do not have calluses. They do not get tougher by being hurt. They only get angrier. Imagine a scale from 0 to 10. 0 is no pain at all. 10 is an emergency. As we begin these seated glides, your pain must stay at a 3 or below. A level 3 feels like a light tension. A tiny tug, it's the feeling of that silk thread just barely touching the thorns, but not snagging. If you reach a level 4 or a 5, stop. You are not healing, you are aggravating. I want you to become a scientist of your own body. Listen to the whisper of your nerve before it becomes a scream. If you feel a sharp, electric sting, that is your body's alarm system. It means the nerve is being strangled. At Wellness Roots Journey, we don't cross that line. We stay in the safe zone. Why? Because science proves that gentle, repetitive, pain-free motion is what signals the brain to shut off the pain alarms. When you stay at a level 3, your brain says, we are safe. We can let the muscles relax. We can let the blood flow. This is the secret to long-term relief. Can you promise me right now that you will respect your compass? If you feel yourself pushing, take a breath and back off. Healing is not a race. It is a journey of kindness toward yourself. In a moment, we are going to prepare your chair. This is the foundation of your freedom. Stay tall, stay gentle, and remember, your 3 is the only number that matters. Now, we are ready to build the foundation. At Wellness Roots Journey, we know that healing starts with where you sit. Look at your chair. If you are in a soft, sunken sofa or a recliner, I want you to move. Right now, those chairs are like quicksand for your spine. They collapse your lower back and they shut the door on your sciatic nerve. Go find a firm, stable wooden chair or a dining chair, a chair that supports your truth. Now, sit at the very edge of that chair. Do not lean back. At Wellness Roots Journey, we want your spine to be an antenna, tuned into your own healing. Feel your sit bones, those 2 firm points connecting with the wood. Place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Imagine your feet are roots, sinking deep into the cool, dark earth. This is your anchor. Check your posture. Are your shoulders hunched? Drop them. Let them melt away from your ears. Imagine a thin, shimmering thread of silk attached to the very top of your head, gently pulling you toward the sky. You are tall, you are stable, you are open. In this position, your lower back has room to breathe. The thorns we talked about, the discs and the muscles, they are being pulled away from your nerve. You are creating space for the blood to flow and for the pain to fade. This is the position of freedom. Take a deep breath into your belly. Feel your ribs expand. When you breathe deeply, you signal your nervous system that the war is over. You are telling your body it is safe to let go of the tension. Stay in this tall, rooted position. Your journey from the prison of pain to the garden of movement begins with this single, perfect posture. Now, we are ready to begin. This is the moment your silk thread starts to find its way back to freedom. At Wellness Roots Journey, we call this the Yes, Yes movement, because today you are saying yes to healing. Stay tall in your healing chair. Gently lift your affected leg just a few inches off the floor. Do not push it. If it feels tight, lower it. Remember your compass. We stay at a level 3. Now, we are going to start the dance. Very slowly, as you lift your chin and look up toward the ceiling, I want you to pull your toes back toward your shin. Feel that light, gentle tug. Now, as you tuck your chin down toward your chest, point your toes away from you toward the ground, up and back, down and away. Do you feel it? It's not a pull, it's a slide. When your head goes up, you are pulling the nerve toward your brain. When your foot points down, you are letting it slide toward your toes. You are flossing the nerve through the thorns of your hip and your lower back. If you feel any sharp pain, you are pulling too hard. Back off, just an inch. Make the movement smaller and softer. At Wellness Roots Journey, we believe in the power of the micro movement. Even a tiny slide is enough to pump out the inflammation and bring in the healing blood. Close your eyes and visualize that silk thread. See it sliding smoothly through the muscles. It is becoming shiny again. It is becoming calm. Let's do this 5 more times together. Look up, toes back, look down, toes away. Beautiful. You are teaching your body that movement is safe. You are breaking the chains of the prison one slide at a time. You are doing incredible. Your silk thread is already starting to breathe. But at Wellness Roots Journey, we know that the sciatic nerve is not just one straight line. As it travels down your leg, it branches out like the ancient roots of a great oak tree. Sometimes, the pain isn't just in the back, it's in the side of your calf or the edge of your ankle. This is where the side branches are getting stuck. Stay tall in your chair, lift your foot again, just a few inches. This time, keep your head still, look straight ahead at the future we are building together. Imagine your foot is a windshield wiper. Very slowly, wag your toes to the left, then wag them to the right, left and right. Slow and rhythmic. At Wellness Roots Journey, we call this clearing the roots. You are flossing the nerve branches through the tight muscles of your lower leg. You are opening the pathways that have been blocked for far too long. Check your compass. Is it still a 3? If you feel a sharp pinch on the side, make the movement smaller. A tiny wag is still a powerful message to your brain. As you wag your foot, visualize a warm, healing river flowing down from your hip all the way to your toes. This river is washing away the rust. It is smoothing out the thorns. Feel the tingling? Don't be afraid of it. That is your nerve waking up. It's the feeling of life, returning to a place that was once cold and numb. You are the gardener of your own body. You are tending to the roots with patience and with love. Take a breath. Feel the space you are creating. You are not just fixing a nerve. You are reclaiming your ability to walk with grace. We have moved the silk thread. We have cleared the roots. Now, at Wellness Roots Journey, we are going to feed the nerve. Your sciatic nerve is a living organ. It is hungry for 2 things: oxygen and nutrients. When you are in pain, you tend to hold your breath, you freeze. And when you freeze, your nerves starve. Let's change that. Keep your tall posture at the edge of your chair. As we continue our gentle glides, I want you to focus on your belly. As you lift your chin and pull your toes back, take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Imagine that air is a cool blue mist traveling all the way down your spine, into your hips, and wrapping around your nerve. As you tuck your chin and point your toes away, exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine you are blowing away the gray smoke of your pain. Inhale, healing. Exhale, tension. At Wellness Roots Journey, we call this the hydration breath. You are literally watering your nerves. When you breathe like this, you lower the acidity in your tissues. You are creating a chemical bath of peace for that irritated silk thread. Can you feel the difference? The movement becomes slicker. It becomes easier. You are no longer fighting your body. You are nourishing it. Science proves that deep breathing activates the vagus nerve. This is the master switch that tells your body, the emergency is over. We can begin the repairs. Take one more long belly breath. Feel your ribs expand like an accordion. You are giving your nerves the space and the fuel they have been begging for years. You have done the work. Your silk thread is sliding, your roots are clearing, and your nerves are finally feeding. But at Wellness Roots Journey, we know that the real healing happens in the hours after you leave this chair. We call this the 24-hour rule. Imagine your nerve is like a healing wound. It is starting to close. It is starting to calm down. But if you walk away from here and immediately slump into a deep sofa or bend over to pick up something heavy with a curved back, you are tearing that wound open again. For the next 24 hours, I want you to be the protector of your progress. When you stand up from this chair, do it slowly. Keep your spine tall. Push through your heels. When you walk, imagine that silk thread is still pulling you toward the sky. Do not let your shoulders collapse. And here is the most important secret of Wellness Roots Journey. Movement is medicine, but only in the right dose. If you feel your pain starting to hum again later today, do not wait for it to become a scream. Sit down for just 2 minutes. Perform 5 gentle, yes, yes glides, just 5. You are resetting the nerve. You are telling the inflammation, you are not welcome here. Consistency is your shield. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be persistent. Think of your recovery as a beautiful garden. We have planted the seeds today. Now, your job is to make sure no one tramples on them. Protect your back, protect your peace, and protect the freedom you have just started to feel. As we near the end of our journey today, I want to share a secret with you. A secret that most doctors never have the time to explain. Healing your sciatica is not just about your nerves. It is about your brain. When you have been in pain for a long time, your brain becomes hypervigilant. It becomes like a house with a burglar alarm that is set way too sensitive. A tiny breeze or a simple movement, and the alarm screams. At Wellness Roots Journey, we know that fear is the fuel for that alarm. When you are afraid to move, your muscles tighten. When your muscles tighten, they squeeze the nerve. It is a cycle that keeps you trapped. But look at what you did today. You moved, you glided, you breathed, and you did it without the alarm going off. By staying at a level 3, you have just sent a powerful message to your brain. You have said, look, I'm moving, and I am safe. You can turn the alarm down now. This is called neuroplasticity. You are literally rewiring your nervous system. The more you perform these gentle glides, the more your brain trusts your body again. The thorns start to feel less sharp. The silk thread starts to feel more resilient. I want you to take a moment and feel that shift. The heaviness in your leg, is it a little lighter? The tightness in your hip, is it a little softer? That is not a miracle. That is science. That is your brain letting go of the fear. At Wellness Roots Journey, we believe that a calm mind creates a calm body. Carry this calm with you. When you feel a twinge of pain later, do not panic. Smile at it. Tell your brain, we know what to do. We have the tools. We are safe. You are no longer a victim of your anatomy. You are the commander of your recovery. We have reached the end of our 30-minute sanctuary together. But at Wellness Roots Journey, we don't see this as an ending. We see it as a new beginning. Look at yourself right now. You have just given your body the greatest gift it has received in a long time. You gave it attention. You gave it kindness. And you gave it the space to heal. That silk thread inside you is no longer a victim of the thorns. It is gliding. It is breathing. And most importantly, it is remembering what it feels like to be free. As you go about your day, carry this feeling with you. When you walk, walk with the dignity of a person who is healing. When you sit, sit with the strength of a person who is rooted. You are not alone on this path. Every time you return to this chair, and every time you press play on a Wellness Roots Journey video, you are joining thousands of others who are reclaiming their lives, one gentle movement at a time. Please, do not let this be the only time you practice. Healing is a conversation, and your body is waiting to hear from you again tomorrow. If you felt a spark of hope today, please share this video with someone you love. Maybe it's a friend, a sibling, or a neighbor who is still trapped in their own invisible prison. Let's spread this light together. Don't forget to subscribe to stay part of our healing family. And one last thing, before you go, leave us a comment and tell us, I am walking toward my freedom. We read every single word, and we celebrate every single victory. Thank you for trusting Wellness Roots Journey with your health and your heart. Stay tall, stay gentle, and keep gliding. God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow.